Chucho. Kool-Aid, drop back. Kool-Aid, drop back a little bit. You got Chucho. You got Chucho.
Buena, Ronald.
All right, get back, get back. Get back, Kool-Aid, get back. Oscar, stay with your man.
Buena, Kool-Aid.
Como te enseñé, hijo.
Give it, give it. Go, thank God. Go. Play it out, play it out.
Jeffrey, shoot.
Come on, Jeffrey. Come on, Jeffrey. Get in there, Jeffrey. Help him. Jeffrey, get up there.
Jeffrey, the one that had the ball.
That was Prince. Jeffrey's right here.
Hey, hey, take a shot.
Give it, give it, give it. What's wrong? Hey, get him a shin guard. Get him a shin guard real quick.
Tú vas a ver por las tuyas, güey.
Somebody go get the other ones out
Por
the
las tuyas,
truck.
güey.
Ali, Ali, go get the other ones out the truck.
Tight.
They're in his bag. They're in coach truck.
Go. Buena, Oscar, buena.
Yeah, boy.
Good job, Oscar.
Man, Oscar got a nice shot too.
Yeah. All right, turn around, face it. Face the
Yeah.
ball. Face the ball.
Yes, yes, yes. Brian, in my way.
All right. Hey, watch this. Come up, come up. Come on, Jeffrey. We need you moving in the middle. We need you moving in the middle. Prince, drop back a little bit. Don't hung for it. Hang back. Yeah, back it up, Prince. Let Ronald stay up front. Call it. Touch it. Pressure, pressure. Go to it, go to it. No turn, no turn.
Portero, ¿qué pedo, güey?
Buena, Gabriel. Kool-Aid pass early. Clear it, clear it. Kool-Aid, early passes. You won't have to go to that. Early passes. Come on, Jeffrey.
Hey, come on, take that more round, man.
Buena.
Woo. Go to the middle, Chucho.
Hey, tírale.
Jeffrey's not there. They gonna space in the middle every time, man. Behind the forward. You're in the wrong position right now.
Why you playing like you're scared?
Oh! Corner kick.
Buena jugada, Ronald. That was a good
Yeah,
play.
push up right there. Stay forward. Stay.
Woo!
Tírale, tírale.
Too much.
Come to it, Jeffrey. Don't slow down. Jeffrey. Jeffrey's scared. He had that guy. He just slowed down so the guy can move with it. He don't want to touch.
No me pegues y no te pinches dule a ti. That wasn't even corner kick. Ronald, güey. Te cambias vinilleras, güey. Offside, offside. Wait.
Oh my God, y'all stop screaming. Underground, give it underground. Give it. Go,
Ronald!
Sancho is chasing him. When he gives that pass, he's chasing him through the back of the middle. Don't chase the man down the side. Push up, cover this side. Watch this side. Cover Kool-Aid side. Right there is good, right there is good. Stay with your man, Oscar.
Kool-Aid, go in there, boy.
Touch it, touch it. Touch it, touch it. Touch it. Come on, drop back. Drop back. Drop back.
Come on, nobody over there.
On the ground, give it. One touch, one touch. Good job.
Milo, come on.
Good job.
What is his name? Cole?